Hi everyone, this is Steve Johnson and thanks for watching this video on next steps for textbooks and staff development. First, a brief history of the adoption process, which took place from February to April of this school year. Publisher materials were ordered and principal and coach focus groups chose the finalists. Teachers reviewed materials and an adoption committee was assembled. Publishers presented to the committees and committees visited neighboring districts. Finals programs were evaluated using a rubric we created, and the adoption committee voted. The board approved both Benchmark for elementary and StudySync for junior high. Here are some goals and next steps that we have. First goal is that ELA teachers editions were to have been delivered before school is out. So the next step is that the materials have already been ordered and the delivery time is May 26th. The second goal is that there will be a clear scope and sequence and pacing guide ready for teachers in August. There's been a committee of coaches developing templates to be used by a summer work group of teachers and coaches, and that's being worked on right now. The third goal, an assessment calendar, will be created that's aligned to the pacing guides and timeline ready for teachers to be used by them in August. Summer work teams have been assembled and they are being finalized right now to identify recommended assessments and develop interim assessments to be administered every quarter. So there's been a calendar change. So why a calendar change? Well, first, there's definitely a critical need for ELA and ELD professional development. We also need to guarantee that all teachers can attend. So because of this, there will be a pause to the Harvey Auditorium meeting. So recognition of 20, 30, and 40-year staff members will be conducted at a board meeting in September, which is great because family members will be able to attend and celebrate with them. Here are the planned changes. So August 14th will be a half-day ELA focus, and the other half of that day will be on ELD. There'll be targeted sessions for other subject area teachers regarding integrated ELD, and there'll be more information about that later. On August 15th, it'll be a half-day structured textbook implementation at each school site, and then the other half of the day will be staff meetings at the school site. On August 16th, there'll be a half-day session for special education teachers, and then all teachers will be able to prep in their classrooms. Ongoing training at specific PLC meetings and through videos and webinars from coaches, colleagues, and other consultants will be going on throughout the rest of next school year. So the teacher's contract year does not change. Teachers will report back to work August 14th. School begins August 17th. The last day for students and teachers is June 1st. And as I already briefly mentioned, the PPVCon focus in August on the 14th and 15th will be to understand the ELA and ELD standards, the new ELA and ELD textbooks, the new scope and sequence, pacing guides, and assessments that are being worked on right now, and best practices and effective teaching strategies. So this change in schedule has been made with the intent to focus on the current and critical need for teachers to have time learning about the new adoption. This will allow teachers time to work in their grade levels and subject area teams, and also importantly, teachers will have time to work in their classrooms and get ready for the start of the school year. So in conclusion, there are a lot of really exciting things happening in our school district. More information will definitely be shared soon, so thank you very much for watching.